Hi, today topic is rational functions, integration of rational functions by using contour integration. If we have integral of the form minus infinity to infinity p of x over q of x dx or 0 to infinity p of x over q of x d of x, then we can evaluate it by using contour integration. How? These are three methods to solve this type improper integration by using contour integration. First step is choose a contour counter in C and related integrand. If we have this type function like minus infinity to infinity p of x over q of x, it has two conditions. P of x and q of x should be rational. And what is the definition of rational function? Rational functions can be written p over q form and q is not equal to 0. So we will set up the closed contour in C and related integral. First step is convert this integral into contour. How to convert it? We can change the integral into contour. P x converted to z over q of z and d of x also converted to dz, because z is equal to e iota theta and d of z is equal to differentiate both sides. dz is equal to e iota theta as it is and the derivative of angle is iota. How? E iota theta d over d theta is equal to e iota theta d over d theta. What is the angle? Power iota theta. So e iota theta into iota is constant, so we take it outside. D theta by d theta is equal to 1. So it is iota e iota theta and angle derivative is d theta. Okay. Then second, if we have a contour, what is contour? Along real axis, our points are minus r and r, and we need to close by a semicircle, and we name this semicircle is contour, means C of r. So we discuss the integral minus infinity to infinity on this path minus r to r and on this semicircle path. Okay. How to convert? C p of z over q of z dz is equal to first minus r to r. Okay. P of z over q of z dz plus this path is, because this angle is 0 and this is pi, so we need to 0 to pi p of z over q of z dz. Okay. Then as we know that z is equal to x plus iota y. On the x-axis, this path is on x-axis. On x-axis y is 0, so x plus iota 0, so z is equal to x. So we can put z is equal to 0 in it. Z is equal to x, so it will become as x, z is equal to x, because this path is lie along x-axis. Here y is equal to 0, so that's why this will become p of x over q of x and d of x. It is our contour integration method. In second method, use the residue method for contour integral. What is residue method? Contour f of z dz is equal to 2 pi iota summation sum of r, where f of z is it can be our polynomial fp of z over q of z form or any other like this. Then how to find residue? We can evaluate the residue by residue of function at point. These are the points where we evaluate poles, and these points lie under the contour. If any point contour, okay, these points are lie inside the contour. If any point lie outside the contour, then we will ignore it. Okay, and to find the residue, we have formula limit z approaches to a, z minus a into f of z. In third method, we use actual integral, mean we use those integral which we want to find. These are some methods. Now let's see example.